What's up, friends? My name is Akable, forex trader. I'm a day trader. Today again, I'm here to reveal a powerful secret about the trend strategy. Here again, I'm coming to talk about the trend breaker strategy. Yes, trend breaker strategy is a powerful strategy. When you use it, you will never and ever blow your account. With this strategy, you are going to be successful forex trader. But I am a Frenchman, so please, if you realize that the English is not other proper, let's manage like that, okay? I'm a Frenchman, but in this video, I always force myself to help you understand a lot of things in English. So you, at least, you have to even thanks me for that, because I'm forcing myself to speak English. Okay, now let's move on. I want to make sure you get the most out of trading. Trading is fun, yes, please, and should not be stressful. That is why I developed this strategy, this simple, straightforward strategy. People tend to make things more complicated than it seems. Trading is like maybe it's coming from heaven, or to understand is very difficult. No. Stop this nonsense understanding. Trading is not other difficult like this. There are plenty simple strategy that if you master it, you can make money. It's when you want to be too greedy, you want to learn 1,000 strategy at the same time, you are going to lose your money. Please focus on one strategy. Listen to me very well. You will never blow your account. You will always be profitable with this strategy. That's trend breaker strategy, I'm telling you. After learning about this trading strategy, you will see why it is so simple. If for any reason you have a question about this trading strategy, you may contact me on my email. That is the email down. You can contact me, and even you want me to be your mentor, you want to learn more about forex trading, you can contact me and we will talk about, okay? This is my email. Step 1, you need to identify a trend. The first thing you need to do is identify an uptrend or downtrend, sideways trend by switching to a 4 hours time frame. After the 4 hours, you can also move to the 1 hour time frame. The reason is that it will give you the best perspective in determining a trend according to this strategy. Yes, this strategy is a powerful trading strategy. Pay attention. If you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell in order to not miss any of my videos. I'm coming to break down for you something powerful. So let's continue. Draw a trend line at the resistance or support level. Since this strategy focuses on trends, a trend line will be drawn on the support or resistance line of the trend. The criteria for a trend is that there need to be at least 2 points of resistance or support. It's very important. After drawing your resistance line, you will clearly see the resistance level, and from there you realize that at any time the market touch the line, your resistance line is coming down. At any time the market touch the resistance line, which is the blue line, is coming down. The price go down. The price go down at any time it catch. Then we can observe that at the end the market starts break the blue line. This is where we are coming on with this strategy. Yes, the most powerful trend breaker strategy. Pay attention to what I'm coming to develop to you. Okay, so this is the 4 hours trend lines. This is the 4-hour trend line. You see, we observe everything already. We can see the blue line, which is our resistance. We can see that the market at any time it approach the blue line is coming down, right? Which means that the blue line is truly a resistance level, and we have more than three resistance level here, right? You can see it on the screen. We have more than 3 resistance level. So now let's move on. Below is the same chart, only this is the 1 hour time frame. This is just to get another perspective of this downtrend. It is good to do this to completely confirm this trend by identifying 2 levels of resistance. So here you can clearly see that the trend is true. Our line is proper line. Okay, our line is proper line, and at any time the candle touch the line, the market go down. At any time the market touch the line, the market goes down. So this one give us another confirmation that our trend line is correct. Okay, now let's move on. Step 2, you must identify a breakout point. In step 1 we identified the trend, right? Now step 2, you must identify the breakout point. In order to find a breakout point of the trend that was identified in step 1, the strategy will identify a breakout point on a 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. This time frame is used because a trend was already identified in step 1 on 4 hours and 1 hour time frame. As you can see in the chart on the 15-minute time frame, this gave an indication that a trend was breaking. Wait until the candle go above the blue trend line that was drawn in step 1. Then identify a point of entry into a trade. So looking at our example above, the criteria was met, right? To go to step 3, yes, also the trend went up and hit our trend line. This is a signal to go to step 3, because in the step 2 we realized that according to the step 2 law, you need to identify the breakout point, and we observe it. When you see the chart, we observe that the green candle has break the what do you call it, the trend line, right? It means that you were able to identify it. So you have crossed the step 2. Now you need to move to step 3. Step 3, you need to identify a point of entry. The price must break below or above the trend line. After the break of the trend line, you must wait for 3 candles to close on the 15-minute before taking your entry. Now we need to identify a point of entry. To identify a point of entry, you always use the 15-minute time frame in this strategy. Once there is at least 3 candlestick above or below the trend line, you execute the trade. In this example, there are 3 candlesticks that fell above the trend line. This indicator signals that the trend was broken. At this point, you want to make an entry, but wait for retest before taking the trade. Please wait for retest, because after any breakout, the market must retest the trend line to see whether the trend is strong. For example, if the buyers break the trend line, the sellers will, after retest, try to push the market down to see whether the trend is strong. Now, if the trend line, the resistance line is not strong, it will break it again and continue their downstream. But if the trend is strong, if the buyers are strong, they'll push the market again up from that trend line. That is why it's called retest. So you need to wait for the retest before taking any actions, please. Again, this must always be done on 15-minute time frame to show us 3 15-minute candlestick close above or below the trend line that you drew. It's very important, please. Once your entry point has been determined, then you can place your stop loss, which is the step 4. Step 4, determine where to place a stop loss. Now, place a stop loss past the last support and resistance level in the trend itself. Again, use the 15-minute time frame to find this point of resistance or support level. In the example, here is our support level. Very good. At that place, we realize that at any time the market get there, it bounce back to the top. So here is our support level. This will ensure that if there was a bearish move, it will hit the last point of support and make a bullish move upward again. So at this level, we now identify the support level. Try to manage the English. I'm also forcing myself. You even have to clap for me. Clap for me now. Clap for me. Clap for me. Yes, I'm trying my best to explain things to you in English. English is not easy. But please, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell in order to not miss any of my video, because I'm going to review a lot of secrets about trading. I'm going to break everything down for you to never think that trading is something that nobody can learn and understand. I'm here to help you understand a lot of things in forex trading market. So let's continue. Okay, so after observing the stop loss, what do you call it, what am I talking about? After observing the support level, yes, after observing the support level, we can now try to place our stop loss, right? Your stop loss supposed to be placed below the support level. You can, like this, place your stop loss at this level. You can clearly see that there are 3 levels of support in this example. Use the support level to determine the stop loss. The rule where to place the stop loss below the rule where to place the stop loss below the last support level, which is why you see the stop loss below this 3 level, because that is the rule. Your stop loss supposed to be below the levels, the level of support. So your stop loss supposed to be below, like as you can see on the screen right now. That is how you need to place your stop loss. And by the market. When you take your actions, you are free to win. You are happy to enjoy this profit. Step 5, the exit rule. After the plan clearly identify a trend, a breakout point, the point of entry, and determine the stop loss, the final step is to determine the exit point of your trade. This strategy uses 1 risk to 3 reward ratio. That means you have the potential to make 3 times more than you are risking. This is the first thing that needs to be done. Identifying how many people there are from your entry point to your stop loss. Okay, from your entry point to your stop loss, there are how many people? Is it 10 people? Is it 20 people? Is it 5 people or whatever? Now, so let's just say you had 10 people, okay, in between this position, your entry to your stop loss. Let's assume that you have 10 people, okay, 10 people, okay. So since we use the 1 raised to 3 reward ratio, we would multiply the number of people in between the stop loss, the stop and the entry by 3, which means that we have to multiply this 10 people times 3. This will give us 30 pip. So 30 pip will be the target number for that trade. It's very important. 30 pip will be the target number for that trade. Okay, so which means that if you enter into the market, you will reward times 3. If let's say you risk $10 there, your profit will be $30. If you risk $5 there, your profit will be $15. Then you need to also observe the candlestick signal, because sometimes you will see a reversal signal that will tell you that your profit target will not be achieved. Maybe after 20 pip, you realize that the market is coming down with a reversal signal, but you may not know. But this one I have to teach you again how to recognize the candlestick signal. But this one is not in this video, but in the next video. If you write to me, okay, you can send me a request about it, then I'll break down again for you in the next video. Okay, I want to help you understand a lot of things in forex trading. But please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell in order to not miss any of my videos. This trend breaker strategy is simple and yet effective. There is no need to stress and worry that will make you take the wrong trade. You must follow the rule that I just explained to you. If you follow it step by step, you are going to make money in the forex market. I'm telling you. And do not let anything else make you back out of the trade. No. If it follow the rule, execute the trade with confidence. Always remember to only be risking no more than 2% of your account. This will help you identify daily trend and point where the break is. There is no need to force yourself into a trade if it doesn't follow your rule and guidelines. Then search for another pair to trade. If the trade you want to trade at the moment doesn't follow your rule and your guideline, please leave that trade and look for another pair. There is opportunity every day in the market. The only thing you need to do, you need to be disciplined and have patience. I'm going to do a lot of video about it. how to discipline yourself, how to never break a rule. I'm going to do a lot of video. That is why I'm asking you to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to not miss any of my videos. Okay, now thank you very much for watching this video. As I told you, my name is Akable. I'm a Frenchman. I'm trying my best to explain things to you in English. Congratulations once again to finish this course, because from there, if you follow all what I just explained to you, you will never lose your capital. You will never blow money every day. No, you are going to be part of the successful forex traders. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.